Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here, Forex trading for beginners. Just relaxing at the lovely beachside resort. Absolutely glorious, glorious gardens all around. I'll just quickly show you this around. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful yachts in the background. There we go. That's me. It's called Dewey Resort, Bang Rat, Koh Samui, which you know is in Thailand, the people that follow me. Just want to share something I've been putting together. It's top secret at the moment. I'm doing it with some friends, close friends. Put it together as more of a development group, just a few people, just seeing what's happening. You know, I'll share my screen right now. Here we go. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on 15 minutes. I can actually count this. The people that follow me with a V70, yep, that there is just hit target. Thank you very much. Boom. It had a very long drop. And a very long drop, ladies and gentlemen, with this one here, all the way down. 41 pips. Those people who follow me in the ninjas and other locations, congratulations to you. They're very well. Very well. So let's actually look at price. Let's look at price. It started off here. So what? I'll show you how I've marked my charts up. I know it looks a little bit busy, but it isn't really. What I did was, people ask about, what's this unfinished business malarkey? What is this unfinished business malarkey? I'm just going to tell you, ladies and gentlemen. You've unfinished business, and you've also got skin in the game. So let's just take it, whether it be today or yesterday, let's just go to our high and a low. So I asked myself, where would our stop losses be? Boop, high and a low. And I follow up and then put my next one there. Boop. And then come there, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Easy. But the moment this one breaks through here, that stop loss has been taken. Yes? The moment the price goes above here, that stop loss has been taken. So we've got this here. So what else? So this one's still valid. Oh look, we have just wicked through that stop loss. Isn't that amazing, ladies and gentlemen? So this now becomes the next stop loss location. What else do we have? Let's look at the V70 strategy. Now you look at the POC, look at the POC here. I just quickly did that as a zone. And the big node there. Did one here. And I did another one up here. So that's where these come from. These here, this here I also highlighted here and here for later on. So price could reject off them and drop down just like it did there. Yeah. What else do we have? Wicks. Any wick. Skin in the game. Skin in the game. Money left on the table. Yeah. Wicks. These wicks have now been taken out. Look. Price has come down. It's taken those wicks out. Yes, you see that? So what I can do is actually, I can remove those wicks now. When I last draw this. It's good for you to see. There was that time it was up there, so those wicks have been taken. Wicks. So any closer wicks? Let me think. So any other wicks left on the table? No. So I can remove that one there. Let me just check. Give me a minute, ladies and gentlemen. There's a reason why I've left that there. These wicks here. Do you see them? These wicks here? And all the way back Respecting that as well. Respect some. I think I'm going to leave this zone here. Money there. Guess what? I'm just taking out the stop loss. Look, boom. It's amazing, isn't it? They just keep taking these stop losses out. So that's a stop loss. That's a stop loss. More stop losses. Stop losses. And there'll be stop losses up. Funny that, isn't it? So, how do you find unfinished business? Well, it depends on the charting platform you use. I'm going to go to normal candles. Now, I want to show you this. This is an interesting fact. I'm going to tell you more about this in the ninjas, the people who follow me, next Wednesday. Yeah. The people known from other locations where I'm helping young men and women believe in themselves. You know, I help you there, private clients. Look at that there. Just want to notice what you see here. A candle, it's a flat, a candle, it's a flat. Flat candle. Let me show you normal candles. It goes up, and then the next candle has a shape. Yeah. Yeah. Different. Look at that there. Now, that's a failed auction. You might see someone down here, failed auction, slope, / unfinished business. And where else does it lead to? There. So price has actually had to take that out, as well as a POC. It's had to take that out. So I can now remove that, ladies and gentlemen, because it's taken that failed auction and unfinished business out. So it's a good opportunity. It's going up. That's exactly what it's doing right now. Is there anything else we can see? I've taken this one out here. Look, boom. I love it when it just takes these moments out. It just comes through. What else do we have? Wicks up here. And it's not always delivered, but 50% of that is typically promised. Never 100%, but 50% is promised. From there. Yeah. So that's a target. That's a target. So let's see how far it's going to come. Now, what we've got here, ladies and gentlemen, got my latest, it's part of my development group. We're putting together some new technology. A traffic light system. Development group. See this. Ready for this? Traffic light says red. Early entry down, people in the ninjas. Yeah, red here. All the way down. And guess what? What I do is I have a vertical money line. Yeah. I'm just going to write on this. Let me see, do I have one in there already? Vertical money line. I'll make this one a nice bright orange. Yep. So you can see that there. So we have the money line. Notice how it's red, all the way up there, money line red. And here, right on the shift of that dynamic 50, enter the trade on the next candle. Boom. We even get the ninja down. And you even get an extra support in here. So all you do, ladies and gentlemen, you stay in the trade. With every candle, you keep looking up. With every candle, you keep looking up. This point here, there's some decisions to make. Well, why do you have some decisions to make at this candle? Up here, we have an engulfing candle, yeah, which is good. With a slight pullback here, because of the wicky nature of this, you might have a little bit of uncertainty. Leave it, trust the methodology. Look at this here, stay in the trade, stay in the trade, stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Now, I've made some adjustments to the indicator. Watch this. What happens when it turns green? It turns green. And this here, really early on, turns green. Rather than waiting for it to come down here, that's right. So, could it continue down? Yes, it could. Let's just measure the pips. If we go in here, and let's say we go out here, 33, thank you very much. Now let's measure it on normal candles. There, that was the one I said, be careful of. Here we go. Let me just double check, I'm gonna go back there. I'm gonna measure that there. There. Oh, this vertical money line, ladies and gentlemen, it's a bit sticky. There. Yep. Right there. And we could have potentially an entry there, but we're waiting for the ninja down. I got in right on that because, or I could even have waited to this one. I could have even waited to that one. Because we're having a money line, a red money line behind us. So with a vertical and horizontal money line meet, boom shagala. Right, that one there. It's now swap to normal candles. See that right on there? Yeah, and that is the point where it's right there. All the way down. There. Easy peasy. No hassles, no stress. Just following trade light jet. Traffic light system. Nice and simple, stress-free. Just wait for the signal to exit the trade. Jeffrey, it's been nice speaking to you all. Those people that are, whether you're young men or women, looking for help, support in life, or beliefs belonging to on life, or whatever age you are, trying to get on in life, when there is the My Lifestyle program available to you, where you can take full advantage of this on a one-to-one basis. I'm my number ninja followers that I know there's a couple in my group. So look at that, it's even going the opposite way, but wouldn't it get in yet? The money line tells us not to enter. So we're waiting for this to change colour. Hopefully, I know there's a few people in the ninjas in here. Just this is something I'm working on. Can we bring it to ninjas? I don't know. Let's just wait and see what the new year holds. My own personal goals is to develop a 500 pips per week club, but really focusing on passing FTMO for many people, getting funded, having a lifestyle where you can be where you want to be, a country of your choice. And usually, you don't. It's not about being the richest man or richest woman in the world. It's just about having a nice lifestyle. Something of you choosing. Whatever country that is, it may be in the US, it might be in the UK, could be in Southeast Asia, perhaps it could be Middle East, perhaps Central America, perhaps South Africa. I don't know. Wherever your place is, wherever you just feel relaxed and comfortable, you know, that's what it's all about. Enjoying your time. Wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen, been great speaking today. I want to say hello. This is A. We'd like to say goodbye for the day. Just enjoying time together. I've known A for quite some time now. I'm just spending time with her. Spending the winter here in Thailand. And we'll take it from there. Have a great day, and I'll see you, ladies and gentlemen, at the top. Bye for now.